Welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to replace the battery in a Fitbit Versa 4. So a week ago my girlfriend told me that her watch battery was depleting much faster than usual. So the Fitbit Versa 4 is supposed to last for at least a week, maybe 6 days. So she noticed it was 50% after 3 days, and that was alarming, and then another charge and it just lasted 50% of the battery after just 1 day, and then we decided to, okay, I'm going to order a battery. However, I also had to order some glue. So this is the glue, I will show it in the video. I ordered from something called Battery Expert here in the Nordics anyway. So I was watching another video, and this video showed that he used the same method that I'm doing now, 100. He had used 200 degrees, and I was careful not to ruin this thing. So, but in other places you can see they use 100 degrees, like they're cooking like a gel pad, and then put the gel pad on top for 2 minutes. So that was very fast, and actually took at least an hour to figure out how much heat I needed. Now for the second part, I'm very careful with a Stanley knife, just to open it from the top. You have the button on the left, and then the top is at the top. And then I just use a spudger to open it. And if I had carefully listened to that other blogs, I will link in the description. He used isopropanol alcohol as well, so that worked great. So first thing you need to dismount is this bracket here. And I think I'm using, I don't remember, it's in the video. So let's get the bracket out. I think it's called 0.8, those screwdriver. Yeah, and now we have released the screen. It's just hanging about. A little bit of glue left there, so. And now we open the levers, and the levers, you have to be very, very careful with those levers. As you will see later in this video, one of them fall off when I'm not seeing it, but you will notice I will show you how. So no force at all you use on those, so almost. Okay, be very careful because I use an hour. So here you can see 0.7 for this screwdriver, and that's I guess it's the correct one. I don't know, I haven't seen any reference to it anywhere. Now we're disconnecting the main module, and the battery is inside this main module. So, and there's 4 screws here, and I use a screwdriver called PH00, which is Phillips. But I don't think it was the correct one, but it worked. But some of the screws got a little bit mangled. So, yeah. There you go. There it's open. So you can see the battery. You can see the connector there. It's absolutely tiny, and it disconnects by itself. That's also you have to pay attention later to see how you can reattach it. So it's held down by glue, as you can see, and we will just reuse that glue. So, oh, I didn't know exactly what that was, but this is a lever that has fallen off, which I used an hour to get on again, and using the microscope as well. But I got it on again, and that's all it matters. So let's get out the new battery, and the new battery is the same specification. Now we have to pre-bend this cable, because this cable, if it's not pre-bent, it will just fall out of the connector while you're assembling. So first thing to do is to bend it up, and then we will make a little circle bend here. This, and yeah, that's good enough. So now you can see how I attached it. It was a bit quick, but you can see I held it on the left side there and then put it back into its place. But if you open the module fully open, it will disconnect from the cable again, so don't do that. Yeah, so yeah, And now it's just in order to just assemble the thing again. Yeah, so here I noticed that this lever was gone, and actually here you can see how you put it into the bottom case again, and you have to interface that cable there, the wide one. Yeah, so here I have it in the microscope, and this is when I noticed that at first I thought this lever thing was just something has broken off, but yeah, but it wasn't. I'm glad I kept it and didn't throw it away, even though I didn't know what it was at the moment. Well, this video is like 8 minutes long. It took me several hours to do this because of the complication I had, and also to get the screen off. I didn't know how much heat I needed, and I didn't use isopropyl alcohol at first. So now we are mounting the main module into the bottom case, and I have a 3D printed a screw holder, just nice to have a compartment. And you also have to clean out the old glue to insert a new one. So after using some IPA, it came up really easily. So now I'm just testing the screen, and it looks like it's working fine. So now it's time to get that bracket again there. And the final screws. So once I did this, it wasn't that hard actually. The only thing that was hard was the glue and the lever that fell off. And also I had a little problem with the battery cable. So this is the glue. It's for mobile phone and stuff, and it has to cure for 24 hours at least. Yeah, but we didn't do that, so I hope it's okay. There you go. It's actually a channel around there, so it's very easy to apply. There's a channel such that the glue doesn't fall out. So what you're actually making is kind of a gasket glue, kind of. I don't know. This glue smells like contact glue actually. So I don't know what kind of glue it is, but I don't know. So now we have to press it together. I didn't find my vise, so what I did, I used the lamp holder for the table clamp, and yeah, so there you have it. So I will just leave it like that overnight, and yeah, that's all it takes. So yeah, now it's working rather nicely, and my girlfriend said that we had to charge it in the day, and then at night it was 98%. So I was like, wow, just 2%, and there you go. So it works rather well. Yeah, this is after a few days though, by the way, so she's really happy about it. So thank you very much for watching. See you another time. Have any question, leave them in the comment section. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye bye.